Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to disable Gmail miscellaneous notifications on your lock screen with an updated step-by-step guide. These notifications can sometimes be distracting or unnecessary, so this quick tutorial will help you turn them off easily. First, open your phone settings. This is usually found by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. From the list, find and tap on Gmail. This will open the app-specific settings for Gmail. Now, select Notifications. This section controls all the notification settings for Gmail. In the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. You'll see specific categories of Gmail notifications that you can customize. Look for the Miscellaneous category and tap on it. This category often includes notifications that don't fall under the main email alerts but still show on your lock screen. Next, tap on Lock Screen Settings within the Miscellaneous category. Here, you'll see options for how notifications display on the lock screen. Choose Don't Show Notifications to completely hide these miscellaneous Gmail notifications from your lock screen. And that's it. You've successfully disabled those Gmail miscellaneous alerts on your lock screen. This way, you can keep your lock screen clutter-free while still receiving the essential notifications you want. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and select a different lock screen notification setting. Thanks for watching and enjoy your clean and distraction-free lock screen.